France's Arquus, now integrated into John Cockerell Defense, has completed a significant defense delivery to Ukraine, supplying 61 Bastion armored personnel carriers in what marks one of the most substantial upgrades to Ukrainian mechanized capabilities in recent years. The initial batch of 11 vehicles, configured for troop transport, has already reached Ukrainian forces, while the remaining 50 are slated for deployment in the near term. This transfer follows years of evaluation and negotiation, highlighting the careful planning behind Ukraine's acquisition of modern armored platforms. The Bastion provides a marked departure from older vehicles previously supplied by France, such as the VAB armored carriers and AMX-10RC vehicles, offering enhanced modularity, survivability, and operational flexibility tailored to the evolving requirements of the Ukrainian battlefield. The delivery is the culmination of a process that began in 2023 with plans for an initial 11 Bastion vehicles. The program experienced delays due to the lack of a formal intergovernmental agreement between France and Ukraine, which temporarily paused production and shifted the vehicles to alternative allocations, including deliveries to Armenia. This interim diversion, along with subsequent political reactions from neighboring states, underscored the strategic and diplomatic sensitivity surrounding the distribution of modern armored systems. Ukrainian forces initially hesitated over the adoption of the Bastion, concerned about potential vulnerability to artillery and anti-tank weapons. Despite these reservations, extensive testing and operational evaluation confirmed the vehicle's suitability for entry-level armored transport, leading to the eventual acceptance of the full order. The Bastion armor vehicle is built on the VLRA 4x4 chassis, weighing between 12 and 12.5 tons and measuring approximately 6.3 meters in length, 2.3 meters in width, and 2.4 meters in height. Its design emphasizes modularity and ease of maintenance, allowing for rapid deployment in diverse operational scenarios. Depending on the variant, the vehicle accommodates a crew of 2 and up to 10 passengers, providing versatile transport and protection for mechanized units. Engine configurations have evolved over time, with early models equipped with a 180 horsepower Deutz engine and later variants offering up to 270 horsepower. The Bastion can achieve a maximum road speed of 110 kilometers per hour and operational ranges of 1,000 to 1,400 kilometers, while also being capable of negotiating steep gradients, side slopes, trenches, vertical obstacles, and water fording. A V-shaped armored hull delivers STANAG 4,569 compliant ballistic and mine protection up to level 3, ensuring survivability in high-risk environments. Armament options are flexible, ranging from 7.62 mm and 12.7 mm machine guns to 40 mm grenade launchers mounted on either protected rings or remote weapon stations. The vehicle includes additional operational features such as run-flat tires, central tire inflation, towing bars, ISO couplings, GPS navigation, radios, climate control, winches, and rear cameras. These capabilities combine to provide a platform that is both versatile and resilient, suited to modern combat and peacekeeping operations. Several specialized variants have been developed to meet specific operational needs. The standard Bastion APC is intended for troop transport and convoy protection, while the lighter PATS's version supports special forces, accommodating 5 fully equipped soldiers and multiple machine guns. The Fortress variant, previously called the Bastion HM, features enhanced mobility, heavier armor, and higher engine output, available in both combat and logistics configurations. The Bastion has seen wide international adoption, with over 500 units produced since 2012. Countries including Armenia, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Chad, Ethiopia, Gabon, Ivory Coast, Kenya, Kosovo, Mali, Mauritania, Niger, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Somalia, Sweden, Tanzania, Togo, Tunisia, Uganda, and Chile operate the platform, with usage spanning military, police, and peacekeeping roles. Some deployments, particularly in Africa and the Middle East, have been facilitated through external funding, including EU and US support. The Bastion's versatility has also been demonstrated in multinational exercises and joint operations, highlighting its value as a NATO-qualified and combat-proven system. Arquus's integration into John Cockerell Defense in 2024 expanded both companies' operational reach and industrial capacity. The acquisition, structured with joint involvement from the French and Belgian governments, allows the combined entity to offer complete light combat solutions, pairing Arquus armored vehicles with Cockerell turrets and weapon systems. This integration has enabled the development of vehicles such as the VB Mk.3 equipped with a Cockerell 1030 turret, along with a broader portfolio including the Scarabee, Sherpa Light, and Fortress vehicles. Additionally, the combined group supports programs like the Franco-Belgian Camo Initiative, aligning land forces across both nations to operate standardized platforms such as the Griffin and Jaguar. Arquus also contributes to self-propelled artillery systems, supplying chassis for Caesar howitzers purchased by Belgium, and maintains thousands of vehicles for the French army, demonstrating the depth and scope of its industrial capabilities. The Franco-Ukrainian defense relationship extends beyond vehicle delivery, encompassing maintenance, technology transfer, and joint innovation initiatives. In September 2023, Arquus established a VB repair workshop in Ukraine to ensure long-term operational readiness of transferred vehicles. Furthermore, the France-Ukraine Defense Innovation Forum, held in Kyiv in 2025, brought together over 300 participants from industry and government to discuss advanced defense technologies. Topics included low-cost anti-drone systems, electronic warfare, resilient navigation solutions, such as Safran's Black Knot Inertial Unit, optical and optronic sensors, and artificial intelligence for battlefield data analysis. These discussions underscored the importance of short production cycles, mass manufacturing, and rapid technological adaptation to match the pace of Russian military innovation. Ukrainian industry, increasingly integrated with Western partners, including Texelis, Rheinmetall, and Swedish CV90 programs, is steadily enhancing its ability to produce competitive and resilient systems under wartime conditions. The Bastion delivery thus represents more than the simple addition of armored vehicles to Ukraine's inventory. It symbolizes a strategic enhancement of mobility, protection, and operational capability in the field. The vehicle's modularity, survivability, and adaptability allow Ukrainian forces to conduct diverse missions, from frontline troop transport to specialized operations, with increased confidence against evolving threats. The acquisition also strengthens long-term defense ties between France and Ukraine, facilitating collaboration in maintenance, technology, and industrial capacity that may influence the region's security landscape for years to come. By combining modern armored platforms with comprehensive support and innovation, this program ensures that Ukraine is better equipped to respond to current and future challenges, while reinforcing its integration with Western defense structures and supply chains. In addition, the broader international footprint of the Bastion highlights the vehicle's credibility and proven operational value. Its deployment across multiple continents demonstrates both export viability and adaptability to different climates, terrains, and tactical requirements. The combination of protection, mobility, and modularity has made the Bastion an attractive choice for countries seeking modern armored personnel carriers capable of meeting NATO standards, as well as for specialized law enforcement and peacekeeping operations. The vehicle's performance in real-world operations, along with its integration into advanced industrial partnerships, reinforces the role of Franco-Belgian defense industry collaboration as a key factor in the modernization of Allied forces. Overall, the Bastion delivery to Ukraine is a landmark development, reflecting years of careful planning, negotiation, and testing. It enhances Ukraine's mechanized capabilities while providing a platform for future technological and operational cooperation. Through this initiative, France and its defense partners are not only delivering hardware, but are also transferring knowledge, establishing maintenance and production infrastructure, and embedding Ukraine into a network of Western defense innovation. The Bastion's operational versatility, proven international track record, and integration into broader defense strategies ensure it will play a critical role in shaping Ukraine's battlefield effectiveness for the foreseeable future. The transfer also signals a deepening of Franco-Ukrainian defense relations, highlighting the strategic importance of modern, modular, and combat-proven armored platforms in contemporary conflict zones.